Check this out, guys. This is a coin laundry with coffee, bagels, and some breakfast food, it seems. I think it's open 24 hours. Anyway, they have some frozen menus here. There's pilaf, some bagels or donuts. I would say bagels, coffee. They have various other foods. If you register on their line account, you get one drink or a bagel for free. This is really cool. And some alcohol to clean your hands. Check this out. Oh, this is a typical Japanese restaurant vending machine, so you can order your food here. I guess you get a ticket, and I think you just take it from here. Yeah, here's how it looks like. Plastic models of the actual food. So you have it. So here's some more. Here's the coffee. So you drop off your laundry while you wait for it to wash or dry. You can sit down here, separate the spaces, and enjoy a coffee and a bagel. This is really cool, actually. I wonder if they have Wi-Fi. So if you find yourself in Japan and need a laundry wash, try to look for one of these bad boys. Open 24 hours. This is amazing. Hirofuwa Laundry. Thumbs up.